From the start, the welfare of civilizations has been intertwined with the purity of water. Societies could never have developed successfully without a clean supply of drinking water. Almost half of all people dwell in regions without enough water, and this problem is expected to worsen. In fact, it's predicted that by 2020, our water use will increase by 40% due to the world's rising population and improving lifestyles.
While the problem is overwhelmingly complex, the solution is simple. You can save up to 5 gallons of water by simply turning off the faucet while you're brushing your teeth. Don't use a toilet as a trash can. One flush uses 6.5 gallons of water. Think before you eat. Producing 1 pound of beef requires more water than producing 1 pound of chicken, pork, and lamb combined. With a limited amount of water on the planet, and more being contaminated each day, it is essential to reduce your water footprint.